Yo guys. Last time, I had used the edit page to make the viral speed reverse edit, but there was one comment on the video asking if we could do this in the edit page. So after a few days, I experimented with Fusion page and the reverse was even better. Don't believe me? Watch this. Alright, enough yapping, let's get started. I will give you 3 graphs to choose from. First, open the Fusion page and add the node time structure. Follow me. Go to the middle frame, or as close to middle frame you can. This is my most recommended graph.